4.
4.
4.
In der Schule.
At school.
At school.
Wo sind wir?
Where are we?
Where are we?
Wir sind in der Schule.
We are at school.
We are at school.
Wir haben Unterricht.
We are having class.
We are having class.
Das sind die Schüler.
Those are the school children.
Those are the school children.
Das ist die Lehrerin.
That is the teacher.
That is the teacher.
Das ist die Klasse.
That is the class.
That is the class.
Was machen wir?
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Wir lernen.
We are learning.
We are learning.
Wir lernen eine Sprache.
We are learning a language.
We are learning a language.
Ich lerne Englisch.
I learn English.
I learn English.
Du lernst Spanisch.
You learn Spanish.
You learn Spanish.
Er lernt Deutsch.
He learns German.
He learns German.
Wir lernen Französisch.
We learn French.
We learn French.
Ihr lernt Italienisch.
You all learn Italian.
You all learn Italian.
Sie lernen Russisch.
They learn Russian.
They learn Russian.
Sprachenlernen ist interessant.
Learning languages is interesting.
Learning languages is interesting.
Wir wollen Menschen verstehen.
We want to understand people.
We want to understand people.
Wir wollen mit Menschen sprechen.
We want to speak with people.
We want to speak with people.